You want to invest? Easy. Buy assets, not excuses. That's it. But your brain? Your brain says you need Wall Street suits, insider secrets, 3 monitors, and a crystal ball. Lies. You don't need perfect timing. You need rules. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. The moment money hits your account, you don't wait. You don't see what's left. You move it. Automate it. Savings account, retirement account, index fund, boom, gone before you touch it. Because if you don't, future you will spend it on sneakers, sushi, or subscriptions you forgot to cancel. Rule 2. Diversify or die. Not literally, but financially. You can't put every dollar in one next Amazon stock or some coin you heard about on Reddit. Spread it. Stocks, bonds, maybe a little real estate, maybe some boring ETFs. When one thing tanks, another thing floats. That's the point. You don't sink with one ship. Rule 3. Stay in the game. Your brain wants action. Buy high, panic, sell low, chase the shiny thing. No. Investing is boring on purpose. The wins come from staying, not sprinting. Time in the market beats timing the market. You don't need to predict recessions or elections. You need patience. Compound interest is your secret weapon. Tiny snowballs rolling into avalanches if you just let them. That's how regular people get rich without winning the lottery. And yes, the market crashes. It always crashes. Then it recovers. It always recovers. You don't need to outsmart it. You just need to not quit. If you wait for the perfect moment, you'll still be waiting at 80. Start small, stay consistent, ignore the noise, and watch your future self thank you. Hit like, hit sub, then move $10 today. Yes, $10 into something that grows. Stocks, funds, whatever. Do it now, not later, because the only wrong investment is the one you never make.